Hello and welcome back to our trading room. My name is Ken Omolo, and on this session, I will be taking you guys through how to begin trading in Olymp Trade. So if you've already created your trading account in Olymp Trade and you're now wondering, so now what next should I do? Where should I go next and all that? Don't worry, just click on the help button. It doesn't matter whether you're trading on the laptop or on the smartphone, you will find the help button available on the platform. So click on the help button, then click on how to trade. So on how to trade, you'll see two different platforms. We have the Forex platform and the fixed time trading platform. So for today's video, we will go through how to trade on the fixed time trading platform. So just click on that and don't worry about anything because this is a demo account, and on the demo account you will be trading risk free. You can use the demo account to create your strategies. You can use the demo account to figure out the trading platform and to test various aspects of the trading platform. So when you click on how to trade on the fixed time trading platform, you will be brought to this window. Just click on start training, and on the start training interface, you will see different assets that are displayed on the platform. So I want us to read whatever will be displayed at the bottom here and explain each of those aspects as we go on. So
So
what is
what is
trading for
trading for
someone
someone
who has
who has
never
never
tried
tried
it
it
before,
before?
someone
Someone
who
who
just
just
created
created
a
a
demo
demo
account
account
and
and
doesn't
doesn't
know
know
anything
anything.
about trading? So trading is an activity that lets you earn money on price fluctuation of different assets such as currency pairs, commodities, stocks, indices, and more. So if you are wondering what are these currency pairs are things like the GBP Canadian dollar. You can also see the GBP USD dollar here. We have the European, the Euro, Japanese yen here, among others. So currency pairs can be traded in Olymp Trade, and it is one of the most commonly traded assets by beginners. So when you start trading in Olymp Trade, chances are you will start trading with the currency pairs. How about stocks? Stocks are shares of companies that are also traded in Olymp Trade. You can see that we have Caterpillar here. It has its stocks traded in Olymp Trade. We have Tesla, we have Facebook, we have Cisco, we have McDonald's, Apple, among other big brands that are currently traded in Olymp Trade. So if you wanted to begin trading stocks and you're wondering if these assets are available in Olymp Trade, there you have it. We have all those assets on the platform. Then there is commodities. On commodities, you can trade gold, you can trade Brent, among other things. Then on cryptocurrencies, of course, you can trade Bitcoin, Litecoin, you can trade the crypto index, among others. Let's click on next and continue learning how to start trading on a Olymp Trade. One of the first things that you will see on your platform when you create a trading account is a chart. And this is what we call an area chart. Okay. So the area chart shows you how the price of an asset changes. Okay. So if the line on the chart is going down, it means the price is falling. And if it is going up, it means the price is rising. So when the price is going up, regardless of the chart type that you are using, you will see it depicted in green, and when the price is going down, you will see it depicted in red. Okay, so regardless of if you are using the Japanese candlestick chart patterns, you are using Inkinashi, you are using bar charts or the area chart, you will see two depictions, either red or green, to show that the price is either going low or the price is rising. We will talk about each of those chart types on our later videos, so make sure that you watch all the videos that we will send to your email address over time. Okay, so let's go to the next button and learn something new. Okay, so traders make forecasts on how the price will change in the near future. Such a forecast is what we call a trade. So if you're wondering how this trading thing happens, then there it is, very very simple and easily explained. You will make your forecast either that the price of this asset will rise or the price of this asset will fall. Let's not get ahead of ourselves. Let's just keep it at that for you to trade, you have to make a forecast. That is either the price of the asset that you are trading. In this case, it is the Euro USD pair. You have to make a forecast that it will either rise or it will either fall. Okay. So trades of fixed duration that offer fixed profit are known as fixed time trades. Okay, so for a trade to have a fixed duration, you have to decide that this trade should only run for 1 minute, it should run for 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, and more. At Olymp trade, you can run a fixed time trade that runs for up to 23 hours. Okay, so if you look at the image on the screen at the moment, it depicts when the trade is opened and when the trade is closed. So the difference between opening and closing is the trade duration, the time that it takes for this trade to close. So if you predict that the asset will rise over time, then chances are you will open your trade here. So at the close of this trade, which should
should
happen
happen
at
at
this
this
level
level
here,
here.
if
If
prices
prices
continue
continue
moving
moving
in
in
your
your
favor,
favor,
you
you
will
will
make
make
profits.
profits.
And
And
if
if
prices move against your trade, then you will lose your stake. So the next thing that you need to know is that FTT assets vary in profitability. In this case, if you look at the FTT asset that we are looking at, the Euro USD, then you'll see that it has 92% beside it. So that is the rate of return for that asset at this particular moment. So what does that mean? It means that if you trade with $100 on this asset and you win, you will win up to 92% of profits on that asset. So the next thing that you need to know is where to set your trade amount. Note that in order for you to trade, you need to set a trade amount. Okay, it doesn't matter whether you're trading on the demo account, you're trading on the real account, or you are trading on whichever type of account that is available. You have to set that trade amount. So let's see how you can do that. You can do that by either clicking on this minus sign or clicking on this addition sign to add or to reduce the trade amount. So we'll click on the plus sign to add it to $100. Okay. So the next thing that you need to do on the fixed time trading platform is to select the trade duration. Remember, we mentioned that in Olymp trade, you can begin trading from as low as 1 minute to as high as 23 hours. So if you're a busy person, you have a full-time job and you still want to trade, you can still trade in Olymp trade simply by analyzing the charts and placing your trade to run for the longest time that you need it to go. So we'll reduce this to 1 minute. Then the last thing that we want to do is to look at the chart and to decide where the price will go next. So if you look at this chart, you'll see that prices have been rising, 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 rising. So chances are it will continue to rise, or chances are it can take a different turn and go downwards. We will continue to learn about all that, how to predict that an asset will continue to rise or fall, and how to take the best entries over time. Again, I'll be sending you guys all these things to your email address. So confirm that you entered the correct email address and confirm that you have whitelisted our email. Looking at this chart, I can predict that the next place that this asset is going to head to is up. So if we click on the up button, we wait for 1 minute, you'll see the time here counting. Then we will determine if we made a profit or not. So congratulations, your trade was successful. By investing $100, you earned $92, a 92% return in just 1 minute. So that is how you place your first trade in Olymp trade. That is how you begin trading, and that is how you begin making money as a trader. So in case you want to practice, in case you want to learn more about trading, you can do that with your demo account. Remember, we created a demo account on the previous video. So that demo account has 10,000 demo units. If you look at mine, it has 349,409 US dollars. So this is money that you cannot withdraw considering that the demo account is only meant for practice, to create strategies, and to help you trade on the real market without risking any funds. Okay, so you can use your demo account to practice everything that we've talked about on this video, to place your first trade, and I will see you on the next video with more about trading.